Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an interesting problem to tackle. So, imagine you're trying to install the AOCC Fortran compiler AMD 4.2 on your Windows 11 machine, and you're not quite sure if it's going to work out. The documentation doesn't explicitly say it's unsupported on Windows, but at the same time, there are no installation instructions for the Windows platform. What a problem to have, right? Now, let's dive into the solution here. A quick search using the keywords provided led us to AMD's own documentation on the AOCC compiler. And guess what? The first line you see past the introduction clearly states that AOCC is specifically designed for applications targeting 32-bit and 64-bit Linux platforms. Talk about a clear-cut answer. It looks like Windows may not be the way to go for this one. In summary, if you were hoping to install the AOCC Fortran compiler AMD 4.2 on your Windows 11 system, it seems like you might hit a roadblock. The documentation from AMD directly points to the fact that this compiler is meant for Linux platforms. Well, looks like it's time to explore other options. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Who knew installing a compiler could be such an adventure, right?